Hello everyone, welcome to BTP Platform Demos. So today we learn how to create data pipeline. For that we'll go to the platform, log in your credentials and click on continue. So this is the home screen of platform. Just go to the apps menu and click on data pipeline. Here you can see various pipelines, their resources, their created date, their status. Clicking on view you can open the pipeline and you can activate or deactivate it from here. At the right side you can see this icon with create new pipeline. Just click over it and now you are ready to create new pipeline. Let's give it a name. You can give any description if you want to give. Resource allocation, so this is used for the deployment. You can select any, low, medium, high. Just click on save. So here on the left hand side you can see the components palette. We have system component and the custom component palette. In the system component you have various readers, writer, different form of transformation, segregation, split components, etc. Machine learning components are Python, Spark model, different ingestions and WebSockets. And we have custom component palette. Herein it will list all the components created by the user. And on the right hand side you can see the event panel, and in the event panel is used to create events, and those events are used to connect to different components together. So let's start making the pipeline. So we'll first take the SFTP monitoring. Just click on it and now we need to fill the basic informations related to it. Invocation type we'll select as real time. We need to fill all these information, meta information. So once you fill all the details, you will select authentication as password and you can write your password here. So all these details has been filled from the monitoring location. Click on save component. Once this is saved, you can take another component. Let's take SFTP reader. Click on it and fill all the basic and meta information. Invocation type will take real time, meta information. So once you filled all this information, just go to the authentication and it will be password. And click on save component. So now to connect to these two components, we need to have an event between them. Just click on add new event. We'll add the event and we'll just drag and drop it here. Now we'll just write the result to the ES writer. Here invocation will take as real time and we'll fill all the meta information. So now we'll click on the save component and we need to have one more event to connect our SFTP reader and ES writer. Just add the event. Just drag and drop it here. So once this is done, we'll just update the pipeline and then we can activate the pipeline. And you will get the notification once your pipeline is updated. Just click on activate pipeline. And now you can go to the toggle log panel, wherein you can see that when your pipeline is running in batch or real mode, Continuously logs will be generated, and in advanced logs, when you refresh it, you can see the deployment status of each and every component. And you need to drop your file at the monitoring location.